To troubleshoot a Novo XT2 or an XT Pro connected to a T-Max system, we first need to power off the chair, then open up the orange levers on the inline connector and remove both sets of wiring. Next, we'll twist the two wires coming from the chair together and then insert them into one of the inline connector slots closest to you. It doesn't matter which one. The chair is now functioning independent of the T-Max system, so we can just follow standard procedure to troubleshoot the chair. If the chair functions normally when disconnected from the T-Max system, contact the T-Max vendor for further troubleshooting. Okay, to return the chair to commercial mode, we can remove those wires from the inline connector and separate them. Twist each end tightly, and then reinsert them into the inline connector. And again, it doesn't matter which wire goes in which socket. Okay, then we can reinsert the T-Max wiring into the opposite side of the inline connector. You may need to twist the wires. Then close the orange levers, make sure the wires are secure. Then power on the chair and you're set to go.